What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of f of theta equals to sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta to the power of 2. You know, when we are dealing with u to the power of n and we want to find out the derivative, it's going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. U prime is the derivative of u. So in this case, u is sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. So if you follow that one, f prime theta is going to be 2 times sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta to the power of 1 times sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta prime. Let's find out the derivative of this part. We know when we have u divided by v, we want to find out derivative is going to be u prime v minus uv prime divided by v squared. So that's going to be cosine theta times 1 plus cosine theta minus sine theta times derivative of denominator, which will be, this one is going to be 0, and derivative of cosine is going to be negative sine over 1 plus cosine theta to the power of 2. So when you distribute it, it's going to be cosine times 1 cosine theta plus cosine times cosine, cosine squared theta. Negative sine times negative sine is going to be plus sine squared theta over 1 plus cosine squared to the power of 2. We know sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1. So we have 1 plus cosine theta over 1 plus cosine theta to the power of 2. And then we simplify it, is going to be 1 over 1 plus cosine theta. So 1 over 1 plus cosine theta is this part. So when you sub it there, we can say f prime theta is going to be 2 times sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta times 1 over 1 plus cosine theta. Or you can say it's going to be 2 sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta to the power of 2. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.